Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Power Apps. Today we will learn how to set up Power Apps environment for individuals. For that we need to go to powerapps.com Microsoft and community plan. There we will get this portal to create our environment of Power Apps. So in this plan we are getting Power Apps and Power Automate along with this plan and data was and 100 plus free connectors. And to set up our apps environment, just click on get started free. It will take us to front screen which asking work email address, so we'll give the work email address. For that I have generated one temp email id from temp email org. So let's copy this mail id and paste here. Click on sign up. It's asking, did you get your email address from your company? Yes. Click on yes. Now it's asking basic information. So we'll fill that information. And password. And also the verification code for this email. Let's go back to our temp email. We can see one mail got received to this. Let's open this, copy the code, paste here. Let's leave the country and click on start. Yeah, it takes few minutes to load. Click on yes, and it's asking the country to choose. Yeah, let it be. Click on accept. Yes, our Power Apps environment got created. Just click next, next. Let's go. And now we can see that we have only the one environment which is a default. Let's close this and we'll see the email ID for this. So this is the ID we can logged into this Power Apps. Right now we don't have any environment to work on. Just refresh. We got created one more environment, and also it's saying that this is an individual environment and not meant for the production use, which means this environment can be used for the development purpose, not for the production purpose. And also we can't convert this environment to the production environment, which means this is not in a trial environment. This environment will never end the trial, which means it's free for individual for the development purpose. And to check the solutions in the environment, just click on the solutions. Now it's saying that create a database. Right now there is no solutions in this environment, so to create our database for this environment, click on create database. And it's asking to create a database. So for that it's required currency and language. So select the currency, which is I'm selecting USD, and language is English. Click on create my database. It's creating a database on the common data service, so it will take a few minutes. Yes, all the solutions got created in this environment. Our Power Apps environment got set up, everything it's ready to use. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.